case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a significant Arkansas Supreme Court case, Spence versus Vaught of 1963, the principles of Arkansas's guest statutes were put to a stern test, illustrating a sharp conflict between personal responsibility and the obligation to mitigate harm on the roadways. This complex case unraveled after a car accident occurred, sparking questions about whether the owner or operator of a vehicle was liable for damages depending on the nature of their negligence. As the drama of this legal standoff unfolded, plaintiffs DeWitt and Georgia Vaught launched a lawsuit against the defendant, Lucy Spence, claiming damages from injuries sustained during the accident, which they believed warranted compensation. The case becomes intriguing due to the intricacies of Arkansas's guest statutes. These laws stipulate a passenger cannot sue a car's driver unless the latter was guilty of willful and wanton misconduct. In other words, the driver must have been exceptionally careless, knowingly risking others' safety. Sorting through the tangled webs of testimonies and determining culpability was the primary challenge of the court. Whether the driver ignored warnings crucial to the accident and whether the carelessness was indeed intentional became key factors under consideration. In a twist to the tale, the appellant Spence appealed the decision, arguing the jury's instructions were erroneous given the context of the guest statutes. However, the verdict was a veritable checkmating move. The court rejected Spence's appeal, upholding the jury's verdict that Spence's blatant disregard constituted as willful negligence, a decision that sealed her fate, thus making her liable for damages. Ultimately, the court's rigor secured justice for the plaintiffs when the jury instructions were vindicated as precise and accurate. Thus, the court mandated Spence to compensate the Vaught's for their accident-related injuries. The case underscored the significance of responsibility on the roads, demonstrating the court's zero tolerance towards reckless endangerment.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.